Thanks for coming to our ACM Multimedia 2020 tutorial. The topic of our tutorial is effective and efficient, toward open world instance re-identification. This tutorial is co-organized by Dr. Jing Wang, National Institute of Informatics. Dr. Wu Liu, AI Research of JD.com. Dr. Yusuke Matsui, the University of Tokyo. And Professor Shinichi Sato, National Institute of Informatics. Instance re-identification is a multimedia technology that finds a certain person/vehicle/object of interest in a large number of videos. It facilitates various applications that require painful and boring video watching, including searching for video shots related to an actor of interest from TV series, a lost child in a shopping mall from camera videos, a suspect vehicle from a city surveillance system. Its efficiency and effectiveness accelerate the process of video analysis. In this tutorial, we summarize Re-ID technologies and provide an overview. We'll introduce fundamental technologies, existing challenges, trends, etc. This tutorial would be useful for multimedia content analysis and system-level multimedia retrieval, especially for an effective and efficient open-world Re-ID system for the practical, large-scale, and open set domain. Dr. Jing Wang is a JSPS Fellowship Researcher at the National Institute of Informatics. His research interests lie in image retrieval, with a particular interest in person re-identification. He will conduct a brief review for general person re-ID, where the person's appearance variation, the short-term environment change, and the intramodality discrepancy work as the main challenge. He will introduce new trends of person re-ID system that more practical in open-world conditions, consisting of group, long-term, and cross-modality. Representative approaches, comparisons, and discussions will be given. Dr. Wu Liu is a senior researcher in JDAI Research, China. His current research interests include human behavior analysis and intelligent video surveillance. Vehicle re-ID aims to instantly discover, locate, and track the target vehicles in the large-scale urban surveillance system. Dr. Wu Liu will survey the recent published massive vehicle re-ID datasets and deep learning vehicle re-ID methods, describe critical future directions in progressive vehicle re-ID with multimodality information, and brief some critical yet underdeveloped issues. Dr. Yusuke Matsui is currently a lecturer at the University of Tokyo, Japan. His research interests lie in computer vision and multimedia processing, with a particular interest in large-scale indexing. He will review state-of-the-art algorithms of the approximate nearest neighbor search system. The design of the search algorithm is critical for performance. He will provide a practical guide to select the best algorithm for a given application system. Professor Shinichi Sato is a professor at the National Institute of Informatics and the University of Tokyo. His current research interests include image processing, video content analysis, and multimedia databases. He will make a brief summary of instance re-ID, and show some trends of this task. In particular, we will introduce the TrekVid INS task. Thanks for your interest. Hope you enjoy it.